Looks like you can pick it. There's a chart that shows the strength of different relationships. There's a chart. Looks like you can pick a chapter.
We have new items in stock. Please take a look. This isn't easy to come by. Purchase complete. This isn't easy to come by. Purchase complete. Now this is a valuable article. Purchase complete. This isn't easy to come by. Purchase complete. I wish you the best of luck.
Information is key. I prefer being in the action over watching from a distance. I prefer being in the action over watching from a distance. I prefer being in the action over watching from a distance. I prefer being in the action over watching from a distance. Oh, going back?
Looks like you can pick a chapter. Select a chapter. Now, which mission? Let's head out!
As a matter of fact, I've been to that bridge. There wasn't anything strange at the time.
We still have to go and check it out, though.
Hey, sorry to ask you this but could you go run a little errand for me?
If you didn't notice...
We're not saying you have to tell us everything, but come on. At least let us help.
Tsumiki is still bedridden. The curse of the Yasahachi Bridge only appears to its victims. Since she can't communicate herself, I have no idea when she'll be killed by the curse. So I want to exorcise it right away. But now that our mission's danger level has increased...
Okay, jeez. We get it now.
You should have just told us all that from the start. Now, which mission? Let's head out! Is this good? Is this good? Let's win!
Cursed spirit is within its barrier, so the procedure is important. You go at night from underneath. And one more thing. At the bottom of the canyon, there might be a river. Crossing a river or other border, acts that symbolize crossing over to the afterlife. These carry important meanings in sorcery.
There it is.
I'm looking forward to this.
What's this? Someone be here?
Huh?
Ishiguro, this one's different, huh?
Yeah.
Then why don't you two focus on that first one? I'll exercise this one! All flat.
Is that so? You're going to let me now, are you?
What's that blood he spits out? Poison?
That's not very much fun at all. This should go fun.
Like first energy I'm sensing, isn't it? it with me! I can't now! Leave it with me! Splash, splash! Splash, splash! Splash, splash! Splash, splash! Piece of cake! Easy!
Straw doll technique. Resonant!
How many of them are there?
I guess we just keep going like it's whack-a-mole.
Yeah, keep going. It's unlikely to retaliate.
Kugisaki! Damn it! Kugisaki?
Oh, hey, it's my older brother. Me too.
Huh? It took off! No! Go out! Alright. If things go bad here, follow us and get out. Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out! Is this good?
I'll finish this in no time. What, you? Don't touch me!
I didn't realize you were a woman, but you are.
Ugh. How did that pretty face of yours? What do you want? Here I come! Here I come! Here I come! Maybe I can get a bit serious. Here I come! Here I Here I Here I come!
Throw you away! Here it comes! There!
Here I come!
Down!
Here I come! Going into straw doll technique. Hairpin. Here I come!
It's you! Don't imagine.
Here I come!
I'll murder you!
Here I come!
It's you!
Here I come!
You! And there's more! It's
Here
you!
I come!
We brothers were tasked with a certain errand, but killing Jujutsu sorcerers isn't part of that arrangement. So, if you withdraw, we'll let you escape, young woman.
An errand?
I presumed you were on the same errand. Our only objective here is to get Sukuna's finger and return it to where it belongs.
Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out. Is this good?
I won't lose.
Last one!
That's the last of them. Why did it just now start killing the humans it had marked? The first one was killed back in June. And in June... Some have a presence that's too overwhelming. Some keep very quiet. Some have already been absorbed by a cursed spirit. This is resonance. This one looks the same as the one from the juvenile detention center, but it's probably several degrees stronger. Noi!
That's all you've got?
I'm not done yet.
Glad you're up for it.
I'll win.
This is unusual. You barely asked me to train you, Megan.
Well, guess beggars can't be choosers.
Listen, Megan. I think you have just as much ability and potential as you do. Holding you back is your mindset. You don't know how to bring in the
Are you saying I haven't been giving it my best?
I'm not saying you haven't. I'm saying, for example, the ball game. Why did you lay down and sacrifice Bud? Was it to advance the run, even though it meant that you... That is good team play, but Jujutsu sorcery is an individual sport.
Is it working with other sorcerers important?
Of course. But no matter how many allies you have, when you die, you'll be alone.
Hey, don't get done in now. Smack him down. Cross. Smack him down. Say that prayer.
Carelessness will come back.
Said you're broke.
Stop me in my
Going on the
tracks.
offensive.
Cross.
All according to plan.
You've got to be kidding me.
Hardly even got a scratch. Way too easy. Got you.
You can only piece together undervalued data on yourself. You can't imagine a stronger future version of yourself. And maybe that's because of your trump card. You believe that in the worst case, you can resolve everything at the cost of your life. And at that point, forget about beating me. You'll never even measure up to Nanami. Dying to win and risking death to win are completely... Give it your best.
Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out. Is this good?
I won't lose. How many seconds was I unconscious? My divine dog's destroyed. No. The technique was released. So, I guess this is it for me. Sacred treasure. Swing and ring. Ring!
Kind of a waste of your talents.
Oh, what the hell?
Visualize it. Imagine a future version of myself who's freely surpassed my limits.
Oh, I can do that! I'll show you.
Going on the offensive. No time to nap. Won't miss. I'm not done yet. Take yourself a notch.
Too lax.
Smack him down. Smack him down. Keep the pressure. Smack him down. Going on the offensive. Thrust! Smack him down! Keep the pressure! Smack him down! I can't stop that! Keep the pressure! Smack him down! Good. Way too easy. I'm tired. And now for the other guys. Where'd they go? Oh, damn, my head hurts. Now I just have to tell Itadori the news about Sukuna's finger.
Good. That's very good.
Which mission should we go on? Let's head out. Is this good? Let's win!
Actually, on second thought, please forget everything I just said.
Damn, he's going after Sukuna's finger! Hold it right there! Do you think you can mock me? Dancing around like that and still get away?
The thing is, I'm a bit insecure about my back. So it's only fair that I warn you. If you see my back, I'll be forced to kill you.
Oh, Kogisaki.
Oh, here you are, brother.
What the hell is that? Whoa!
I'm sorry, brother. It wasn't on purpose. I didn't mean to see that.
Now I have to kill you!
Why don't you just cover it up?
Because then it gets musty.
Rot technique! Supreme art! Death!
This guy, huh?
I've got your back.
Thanks.
This is a warning. If you see my back, you'll be forced to kill.
We'll make the first move.
All flat. Got him! Not fair! Got him! What is this? My first energy I'm sensing, isn't it? Got him! What is this? Do this with me! Let's get it together! Do this with me! Come on, Kogisaki! Is that a...
Oh, shut up! I've got your back.
Oh, great.
Whoa!
We're out of this ring. Kogisaki!
Now we've reached the time where our technique,
Rot technique!
my blood, like that of my brothers, is absorbed by the victims through their wounds and membranes. And then, once any of us brothers activate the technique, it quickly begins to rot you away from the point of incursion. If the suffering is too great, would you like me to end you right away?
Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out. Is this good? Let's win!
A technique that guarantees victory once it hits. You two are strong. You're screwed though, because that makes me the worst possible match for you! Struggle technique. Resonance! Let's play a game of chicken.
Yes, that pain is quite intense. But no matter how many times she does it, it won't end our lives. So as long as we hold out, you'll be the ones to die. Not to mention, while decay is active, the pain and poison will keep you from moving. How are you able to move that well?
Itadori is the vessel for Ryomen Sukuna, the king of curses and deadly poisons, so he has resistance to all forms of poison. He's probably feeling pain from the decomposition, but the resulting poison doesn't affect him. And if it's just pain, Yuji Itadori will never stop!
Echizu! He switched. The woman was close to death, so he matched her against my brother, who's also dying. I can't go and save my brother like this, and I can't unleash Winky while decay is active. But does the woman have enough strength left to kill my brother? Even with all of her interference, this man won't be able to kill me before she dies. So I cannot release the technique.
We three are as one. I live for my brothers.
I was already releasing it before I even knew it.
This is my limit!
Got him! First energy I'm sensing, isn't it?
We gotta do her! Don't get carried away!
Let's get them together!
Itadori! Alright. I haven't shown you this one yet, have I? Why isn't this thing vanishing? Is it still alive? No, it's not a cursed spirit. It has a physical body.
I'm sorry. Even though I was with him. I'm sorry, Keshizo. I wasn't able to mourn you. But I promise you, I will get revenge for...
Kugisage!
Don't rush me, okay?
That woman. What the hell is she doing with my severed arm?
Draw dog technique! Resonate!
So it wasn't a technique to turn the curse on the user.
Hurts.
Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out!
Don't talk about them resonating with Itadori.
Are you certain about that?
I think so. The curse of Yasuhachi Bridge could have started killing at any moment. Besides, when he swallowed that first finger, it was to save me. There's no way he'd be satisfied with just that. So don't tell him.
I won't say anything. Girls know how to be discreet.
This is all your fault. You little punk. Other people are going to die because you live.
Hey, don't say that to Fushiguro.
How are you going to feel when someone you save goes on to kill someone else later?
Don't you dare say it.
Well, find any candidates?
No, none. Everyone's busy, including myself. What now? Should I try inviting the students?
Sure, I'm a lightweight, so I don't mind if the party's alcohol-free. You can do it. Keep asking around. After all, you never know what might be listening around Urahime. I don't want to think about one of the students being the traitor.
It's my conviction that it's the first grades who should lead the other sorcerers and the Jujutsu world, given all the confidential information and the danger. That, along with the pay that they have to accept, is nothing like what those semi-first grade and below must deal with. So, with that in mind, what are your recommendations?
Maki Zenin, Panda.
Megami Fushiguro and Nobara Kugisaki. And then, my brother, Yuji Itadori. So by my name, Aoi Todo.
And by mine, Mei Mei. We
Hereby recommend these 5 for promotion to first grade.
I just think you're buying way too much stuff.
Half of that is yours, isn't it?
Huh? No, only one is mine.
You drop even one of those bags, and I'll kill you.
Fushiguro. Yes? Yeah. Alright, see you.
What?
Gojo says to come in.
Yeah? What for?
Assignment. He said it was top secret.
Well, we just finished doing a big mission for him.
Sounds good to me. Gojo's telling us it's top secret. It must be big.
He says that a lot.
Only every time.
Yeah, but so what? Let's go. A chapter's been unlocked! Now, which mission should we go on? It shows the strength of different relationships. Let's check out the list. Now, which mission should we go on? Looks like you can pick a chapter.